ಈ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀಯಾ? ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೇ 10 minutes. This is a small remnant forest. Here and there these parcels of land are there, and they have this native trees. Though this one, those trees, whatever we see, they belong to primarily two species, that hopia. It's called bogi mara. And these trees look like they may be about 30 to 50 years maximum. So 50 years back it was cleared. Those days the invasives are not that much. So some of these native trees could make a comeback. In these kind of places, this remnant forest, the canopy is complete. You look up now, only some speckled shade will come down to the earth. So there's not enough sunlight to encourage these vigorous kind of weeds. And also when the rainfall comes and hits this kind of place, this is a heavy rainfall area. Those raindrops, they come like bullets on the sky. And their size also is very high because the altitude is not much here. So big size bullets will rain down for a few months like bullets on the sky. And in this kind of place, first those drops will hit the upper canopy. And then when they hit that upper canopy, that drop of water will break up into smaller droplets. And then it will crash against those droplets will hit the next layer of greenery. So like that, by the time it comes to the earth, that bullet's speed and that big size raindrops, they will be reduced to a fine mist. So if there is no canopy, that raindrops will hit the earth with such force that it will cause the topsoil and all to get eroded, and soil erosion, the ruining of that place happens. Of rocks and all get exposed and all. And those places where the canopy is intact, there the topsoil is not washed away. Like here, there's a nice undergrowth of plants, understory plants, all beautiful ones, like this Chessalia curviflora, and then that bandicoot berry, and also so forth. Lot of species, you can see them all here. Because that earth is fertile enough, where those droplets are coming in such a fine spray, that all the accumulated silt of the past period is there, so that any seed that falls here will nicely sprout up. For example, if you see the earth here, one layer of green matter is there. Then soil color also is quite dark and rich. and it will have so much of ants and insects and all going in there that there will be a lot of biological activity can happen. And so the high diversity can be maintained. So this remnant forest and that canopied forest of multiple species is very important to preserve. All these diverse variety of flora and fauna. Everything can survive. All this, if you get a bare land and you try to regreen and all, this will take centuries. It's not going to happen. We have to cling to whatever remnant forests are there, and the owners of those forests, remnant forests, usually small pieces, couple of acres and all or less. They are sacrificing a lot of money by keeping it intact. So the rest of the society has to give them some money or something and tell them that, listen, don't cut this remnant forest, let it be. We will compensate you for the loss of income, because as a society, as a country, we need these places to protect the rainwater that falls, groundwater, and then the biodiversity, which is a wealth of that area, and the surrounding people. Everything gets a chance to come back. These remnant forests are retained. It's a beautiful place. You can see the density of the greenery and all there.